Hello family, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy I am underscore here, and we are just coming live from our beautiful farm, guys. We thank my God for He has actually granted us with this beautiful day, and also guys, I do appreciate for your love and support, always being a man actually or supportful to the channel, guys. Love to you all who are watching these, guys, so my good people, I do appreciate and appreciate for stopping by and being supportive of the channel, guys. Oh, actually, it's an afternoon hours that I began with this video. I've been just arranging or preparing some of the foods in order to actually do some of the activities that are required here in this actually project of today, or this project. And I thank God I've been able since morning, and until right now, as I'm speaking to you, everything is really good. So glory to our mighty God, for He has actually been with us. Oh, so good people, I'm just chilling because it's really hot, but I've been working outside here. As you can have a look at, we have the lumbers there for the top of the table that we are just going to use inside this actually kitchen, and this is for the counter. So I have been fixing them, and the sun used to chase me away from the actually the ground, because actually it's really hot. It's really hot. So right now I'm just chilling here and being free to have some of the rest a little bit, and then maybe read alone. I will just proceed with the activity. Oh God, yeah, I will proceed with the activity, and then I think everything will be fine. So, my good people, uh, first of all, I would like to actually appreciate your love and support for the actually love, for the support, for being like responsible, also caring to I am also. Guys, let me wipe the camera, then I'm just going to be back a little bit. You can see some of the dust. Wow, so as I was saying that I'm really happy, and let our Almighty God continue blessing you guys for the love and support. So we used to consult all about the table, we used to consult all about the chairs and other things. So we need to work out all to form actually a round big table, not this one that we have currently here. We are just going to form a round big table that will accommodate uh, 12 people to 13. Yeah, so it's in actually they call it 12 seater. Yeah, if less than that, that's good. If 10 seater is also good, or 12 seater, that's actually absolutely good. So that's what we are expecting actually to form over here, so that we can launch the business. I think at the same time, we are just going to have this launching of the cave maybe as for Monday, or maybe another day. So today it's only that the sun is really hot, and whether we have the field or the shade, I think it's less. So let me just give it time, but I believe I'm just going to work out for the top, for the table, and for the counter, for the top actually, to end to finish it, and then we can do, or we can see what next to do at the end of the day, guys. But believe me that today all of that work is just going to be done, or we are just going to be done with that activity, and then we can see what next, guys. Maybe launching this or doing something else, guys. We need to transform the life and chase the narrative, guys. Huh? We need actually to change the narrative and chase the dreams. Yeah, not change. Hey, change the narrative, change the narrative, and chase the dreams. Exactly. So that at the end of the day, everything will go and be fine. Wow, wow, wow. So just chilling over here, and I believe everything is just going to be good and well, guys. So that's how things are, my good people. Just chilling, and see how things gonna be. Hope I'm just going to update you in a few minutes. When the sun goes down. When the sun goes down, we proceed with the work. When the sun comes up or goes up, we chill a little bit. It's really hot and hot, so let it go down, and then we can proceed with the work of today. We're gonna call it a day. At the same time, guys, love is always free. Love you, love you, love you all, wherever you're watching this from. Big up, big up, big up, big up, guys. Big up wherever you are. Big up yourself, guys. And I believe everything is well, well, well. Maybe you can also drop your comment over the comment section. Tell us what do you think about this work, how it would work over here, how's everything. And then I do appreciate, I really appreciate. Wow, just cool and good and well. Receive the call from Kim, although the sun is actually too hot. So when it's too hot, we receive the call from Kim so that we can just pay a visit over there. He has something, a surprise for us. And yeah, so we are heading there so that we can actually do something over there. Guys, let's go and see how things are gonna be. Here I'm with my brother. Guys, we have reached at Kim, and actually, guys, this is an amazing thing, guys. Actually, aroma. It's only that you can feel actually the aroma that comes from somewhere there around the corner of the owner, guys. Guys, over the comment, tell me, what do you think is there around the corner of the owner? Wow, let me take you. Ooh. Yeah, the man he is. How's the temperature? He told us that he's just going to measure the temperature.
The temperature actually,
yeah.
Today, this is the most important thing here.
Yeah.
Today we are just having a test on this our grill.
Yeah.
Barbecue. We're just testing how it's working. Yeah, and we want to know if everything from it is on a perfection way.
Yeah.
Yeah, so today we just decided to have some small grilling meat here, and so that we can enjoy ourselves a little.
Yeah.
Then for the next coming round, which I don't know it will be on when.
Yeah.
We'll now be having
maybe tomorrow. Even tomorrow it might be the second round.
Are you sure? Yeah, good willing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So today we'll just have a small meat here, and we wanted to. Sorry. It's okay. We want to put it there so that we can get to enjoy a little bit here.
Okay.
Yeah. So we just decided to start with the small meat, and
this one it's not
for
small,
the temperature that we talked about.
Yeah.
The temperature now, when you close you flip this
lid or the
lid
yeah.
Towards this one. So inside here.
Yeah.
Okay, can you put your hand here? Just place your hand here. Can you feel that temperature?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's that temperature. So the moment you flip this lid towards here,
yeah,
you close it well. Now you maintain the temperature inside here. Then your meat is now being cooked slowly.
Pole.
Yeah, pole.
Mos.
Yeah, so that is it. So today,
yeah,
we're going to enjoy ourselves with the small that we have. Yeah, then when maybe
next day, maybe it's a goat.
Yeah.
I'll surprise with the goat.
Yeah, maybe. Can
you
surprise us with the goat?
Okay, by the time we're gonna launch there, we will just slaughter the goat.
Yeah,
yeah, we will just carry this grill to the other side.
place.
Yeah, and you will be the chef. I
No,
think.
man,
Do you know maybe what kind of meal that you prefer? Maybe to prepare for us. Maybe that day, even as actually on Monday,
on Monday.
which is maybe tomorrow.
On Monday.
Yeah, tomorrow. What I actually
Okay,
one of
I
the
prefer,
subscribe. Yeah.
maybe we should have maybe pilau.
Uh-huh.
It's not bad. Yeah, pilau with meat.
Served with the.
Served with, we can serve it with kachumbari on the sides, and maybe with a drink.
Yes. Well, okay. About the drink, juice. What kind of juice? Maybe that the local one that you can make,
Okay, the
not
juice. There's
not the Coca-Cola, not.
okay, there's this mango juice
Uh-huh.
or mango mixed with pineapple.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you can just dilute that one, and we can. It can serve a lot of people.
Okay.
Yeah, it can serve 10 to 15 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what maybe you have said actually that's a pilau will be just a meat and rice
Meat
and some
some
of the
rice.
ingredients.
Yeah, some spices.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Hii ni unamalizia.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was saying maybe we'll just look me after this.
Yeah, you give me
Then,
the budget.
yeah, I can give you the full budget.
Yeah.
How we will now everything that you needed to complete the party or maybe the launching party.
Yeah.
So we'll just look me after this. Then I'll just
Behind
we'll
the
just go,
tent.
Yeah, behind the tent or
Yeah.
behind the camera.
Yeah.
Then we'll just sit down and we will now calculate everything. Then we'll put everything in order and you'll now be knowing what's the next point. Yeah, after this.
So with your experience, how long have you been working as a professional chef?
Okay, with me,
Yeah.
I can say so far, let me say so far, cooking is my passion. I like cooking. And I can say since I was a kid, that's where I started my
You know, a
journey
kid, it's
of
just
cooking.
like 10, 9, those years,
Okay,
at that age,
so far I can say I have like
12.
almost let's say 7 years and above
Yeah.
in cooking, because I remember when even I was in primary school, I used to cook.
Yeah.
Coming to-
Let me just test something,
You have to
cause
test.
cause
Okay, just close the lid.
yeah, cause I've been okay. We need to see
So
at the end.
you can even hear some sounds from inside.
Yeah,
Yeah, the meat now is cooking. So the moment you'll let it burn for maybe
like
2
2 to 3
minutes,
minutes.
then
Yeah,
the
absolutely.
moment you'll open it,
Yeah,
you'll see some moisture coming out.
that's what I need to
Yeah.
see.
You'll
Absolutely.
see it. You'll see it.
Although from the chimney we have some of the
Yeah,
smoke.
from the chimney,
Yeah.
there's some of smoke is coming, but
At the
even
same
if you
time, when you open, we are
yeah.
just going to have the that more smoke. Yeah.
So that is it. So I was saying, cooking actually is inside me. Yeah, I love cooking, and I urge all men outside here to teach themselves how to cook, because you can find many. I was saying many people here in the village,
Yeah.
mostly men, they fear things dealing with the cooking.
Yeah.
So I want to urge some of the men outside there, like they should learn how
To cook.
cook,
Yeah.
because cooking is not a big deal.
Yeah.
Then, like especially me, with me cooking is not a big deal. I can cook anytime I want. Like it's just in my hands.
No tips, huh?
Yeah, I just find myself cooking. So you can find many men out there. They are just saying, "No, man, cooking is hectic to me," you know. So what I can say with cooking, you just need to give yourself time and commit yourself.
Yeah.
Then you'll find yourself cooking everything, especially from the meat here. Yeah, you can, like something like meat,
Yeah.
just easy. Just easy. Just what you need to follow is just how to prepare it, how to place it on the fire. Then you just let it and it can cook itself.
The temperature of the or the amount of the temperature that's required
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
just apply it, then everything is going in order like the way you wanted.
Okay.
Yeah. So far, I think maybe you can now open for yourself.
Wow.
Now you can get to see. Did you see that?
Wow.
That's what we are talking about. Yeah, so far, when you even the temperature now is high,
Yeah.
you can feel it.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can see the way now the meat is cooking.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I was talking about.
Okay.
When you flip this lid like this,
Yeah.
the temperature increases, and it's now circulates
Yeah.
inside the, you know.
Guys, the temperature increases or decreases.
You know that's slogan.
Yeah.
The temperature
Increases or
increases or decreases. Yeah, you can just
yeah.
conclude by yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that is what we are talking about here.
Okay.
So our
Actually,
meat is very nicely cooking.
wow, you can see this is actually the way it's supposed to be. Golden.
Golden meat.
Yeah.
And it's going to be more.
I think if you could have like marinated it, but I know there was no some of the ingredients. Maybe the next time. I think we are just going. I think we are just going to marinate the next day on tomorrow, maybe. Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're just going to do marination of the.
Have it.
Even I think we can even go and buy one chick with slaughter. We might.
For sure, man. Why not?
Yeah.
It's possible.
We are
Anything is
able.
possible.
We are able this time for sure.
So
Yeah.
we couldn't we didn't have enough spices for seasoning our meat. We only had some
Salt,
Yeah,
cooking
but,
oil. Yeah.
Maybe next time
Yeah.
we'll get to have some seasoning spices,
Yeah.
which will now applying on our meat,
Mm.
and it will be now making it looking like it will now bring it that vibe. You know,
Yeah.
that vibe of,
It also even the aroma from
yeah,
meat
the
actually.
aroma now will now increase.
Yeah.
You know, it will.
Yeah.
It will. That way. Yeah, so
Wow.
that is it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so family, let's enjoy the meat today with us.
Yeah.
I know you are watching. Like with me here, aroma is totally killing me.
Yeah.
This aroma.
I can see even my ear is feeling like to. It's only the.
No, this is my work. This is my work. This is my work.
This aroma.
Do you remember the other day I come there, I asked for the work.
Yeah.
You told me that when I come there, I must carry the necessary things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have been seeing your eyes here. You know me very well. This
Yeah.
one I didn't work for some many years.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, then I have a lot of experience.
Wow.
That's what we told your team. Today we'll be here. As you can see now we are here. And then fortunately, when I came,
Yeah.
I found Kiza KE.
Yeah.
I know him very well. So
Wow.
no, I found someone who can work with him.
Yeah.
So it's like that, my friend.
Wow. That's really great.
So
Yeah.
family, you know wherever you are, you can feel this vibe. No, not with us, but spiritually, we are together connected.
Yeah.
So let's enjoy this meal together,
Yeah.
and let's also feel this aroma.
Exactly. Absolutely.
Yeah. So that is it, man.
Well, guys, you can proceed then. I'll be back. Let me just go and see my brother there. Guys, today we are just going to get the meal from this place. Kim is for me. Yeah. Oh, we have tomatoes. I'm good, bro.
It's called kachumbari. Do you
Kachu-
people know kachumbari?
Yeah, kachumbari.
Yeah, guys, how are you? This is Kim, Royal Kim, and the Kim is Kesh Taboyem.
Always.
It's another day, guys. Wow. Today we chose to do this.
Wow.
Because I've been telling you for the longest time, we're going to watch the grill.
Yeah.
And I felt like I'm lying to myself, man.
Uh-huh.
Then I said, no, this has to be done.
Wow.
I talked with my brother. They told me they have experience in that. Then we planned yesterday, and today they came.
Yeah.
They showed up, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. We are doing it finally.
Wow.
And then I gave Jose a call. Bro, make sure you come, man. We have some meat here.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. How are you today?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I thank God actually.
Yes.
Everything it's just good.
Yeah.
So I decided like I can't miss this actually
Yeah,
place because
Yeah.
when you have been asked to affiliate yourself somewhere,
Yeah, for sure.
I can't miss.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yes.
And I believe is there maybe what are we going to be served with?
No, Gali.
Oh God. No, I have to go and I think I can have even some of the little flour so that we can cook here.
Oh, God.
Bro,
Yeah.
you The whole of that meat, we ate it maybe.
Ugali.
It needs
ugali.
something like ugali.
I thought we will have a problem with washing utensils.
We are here. Those guys, or even me, we can wash the
Yeah.
utensils, bro.
We have a small sufuria, not a big one.
Yeah, actually, we don't like need a lot of gali.
Yeah, the sufuria is there, the fuel is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
We don't have shopping here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the problem. Man.
I know we do. Anyway.
Wow, we are here ourselves.
Yeah.
Let's see how the meat will turn out like. Yes, man.
So we have to just observe from a distance.
Yes.
You know, when you are there, you
And
feel
it's a
like
lot of meat, man.
yeah. When you reach around there,
Yeah.
you feel like, can I test?
Yeah, you
And
just feel like, let me
let,
just do this.
let me have a little piece of the test then.
Yeah,
And at the end of the day, you find that nothing from there.
exactly. So guys, let's wait testing moment and
Yeah.
then we do this.
Okay, bro. Welcome.
It's clamping time now. Wow. So you're supposed to use 2 clamps?
If we had two,
Mm.
we could have used them, but we have only one.
Mm.
If that I used to borrow,
Oh, yeah, yeah. You remember yours broke, eh?
Yeah, mine used to break down. I used to from the guy where we usually.
Oh, at the hardware?
Yeah.
Wow. That is a swarm of bee passing by. Oh, God. Just tell me that we are secure. Yeah, they passed. There are some calls that you see and then you're like, why is this person even disturbing?
Disturbance.
Man. That's a table for what now?
This for speed, actually like dining table, but where we can just chop the table.
Oh.
But I'm planning to do it as an cabinet to have those
Oh,
cabinets
down there.
down there.
Okay.
Yeah.
A lot of work to do, limited time, limited resources. Now we go to the other side. Wow. It's not a joke. It's work. guys, the way that the timber is getting close to each other.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you. Now it's very close now. Good. Good. Just have to clamp in the middle. Eh?
Yeah. So now I'm just going to leave it for some few minutes,
Okay.
and then by the time I'll be back,
Yeah.
it's ready.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after maybe I'll just something over here, smoothen these edges that are
With a polish the randa.
yeah. Then everything will drop.
Wow.
We have to stand to leave it somewhere there.
Maybe inside because of the clamp.
No, I'm okay.
Huh.
You know, the advantage is that
Yeah.
we are YouTubers.
That always makes me laugh,
like,
man.
actually, like today,
Yeah.
I've not like today in the morning before I started my work, I found one of the guy. He started asking me, hi, first of all, greetings first.
Yeah.
And then he asked me, can I find the owner of this land?
Yeah.
I told him he's not around.
Yes.
He have gone to the border.
Yes.
And then told him I'm the manager here.
Yeah.
Maybe you can just tell me what you need.
Yes.
And then I will just give him the information. The guy told me that I heard that is he the YouTuber? Yes, he's the YouTuber. So I was just like eagerly to join this YouTuber because I have heard the way that their life and how things are. I told him, what have you heard about it? All from the villagers, what have you heard from the villagers? He told me that, this something else, you know, those things that even our villagers are negative.
Yeah, about Freemason.
About Freemason.
He wants to join Freemason?
Yeah, he was just...
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh! Oh,
so
God.
His aim was actually to join he thought that it's a Freemason.
Yes.
So I tried to, but the way he was...
What is wrong with people, bro?
The way he was just from a humble background.
Yeah.
He was not somebody like...
Yeah, he knows things. Yeah.
So I just to narrate with him, to him actually some of the tips, and I found that I told him that's why you know there are people who just have those negative mind about it, but it's not the way you have heard.
Yeah.
And I think for now I just try to tell him, if you know even Facebook or those other TikTok. Tell me, yeah, TikTok, I know about TikTok.
If they know TikTok, why don't they say TikTok is Freemason?
So I told him, if you know TikTok, then YouTube is the same, but it's only that YouTube you can actually earn a lot more than from
TikTok.
From TikTok. So he told me, okay, so people have that negative mind about it. I told him exactly. So if I think now you have the tips, you can just go and tell those people who have that negative mind about YouTube. So people, even if we leave this one,
it can't go anywhere.
Anywhere.
Yeah, because it belongs to YouTubers.
It belongs to YouTubers.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
And then they can see, I know they'll be like, see how they leave their things out there?
Yeah.
You try and just get one. He'll be bewitched.
Yeah, that's exactly what they believe.
Yeah. Oh, God. Let's go get that meat before
I think it's
cold.
ready.
Yeah, it's ready now.
Wow. So,
Okay.
Guys, next it's just to do the counter. At this point, while this one is just drying.
Yeah.
And then I'll fix some of the legs for this. I'll finish it.
Okay.
Now, let me keep this one at least somewhere else.
Yeah.
You know, this one
It's very expensive.
very
It's
expensive.
also an
and-
inheritance.
Yeah, and we cannot find actually these ones.
Yeah.
Where we can find them, but they are not
Original.
original like these ones.
Yeah.
Even the hammer,
Yeah.
old school.
Wow.
This inside.
Yeah, that's inside. That's now the inside.
That's the inside.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah. Wow, guys, let's go and enjoy the barbecue at the Sunrise Cabin, and then we will be back, guys. You know, let's go. Guys. Woo. Yeah, guys, it's ready. Finally.
A piece. Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe can you bring a knife, please?
Yeah.
Give us a knife so that the
Kim can
One
launch.
bring the
this
plate
will
where
be
we
pen.
put it.
This is our meat here.
Unashika unaanza hand on bit.
The one with the bone. So sweet.
With the lihuha.
Yeah.
So you can bring it on a plate.
Do you say, can you have a piece also?
Let me tell you because it's how the
Maybe you can tell us.
You want to come to Africa now because I'm telling
How
you.
do you feel?
get tastes. Yeah. Yummy.
Guys, very good. Huh? How is it, bro?
So, well,
Is it the one that you have been expecting, or they changed it?
more than that.
Oh, I thought that they have.
Garlic now.
I thought that they have changed it.
No,
Eh.
no. This is how we cut this down.
Mhm.
Maybe, Osea, you need to do this, man.
Which actually, this guy, that's why he decided to give me the East phone to hold for him, so that I cannot.
You cannot just.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he's cornering.
Ah. So you can tell me Osea.
Mm?
Yeah, so family, we are here, Osea.
Yeah,
How
man.
do you feel?
Amazing,
How's
bro.
the meat?
Sweet.
So yummy.
Yeah, man.
Mr. Kim,
Yes, bro.
how do you feel so far?
I feel good. Man, I just want to end the video and then I go and eat.
Guys,
Because when the camera is rolling, you can't eat well.
Man, I can see you already have a small taste of the meat. And it's
But the way
really,
you put
really
the
good.
oil and the salt, I can feel it. Very well mixed.
so that we can get to enjoy this meat together.
I bring here where?
Outside, yeah.
let's use a.
Yeah, just bring it outside. We can serve it from there.
You put the meat here.
There's no problem.
Oh. Freddy sasa sigo tarai tabe he. Ata komanyere. Konyama. Konyama. Guys.
So that at least we can now get to enjoy together. Yeah. So far, my brother here is helping out.
Wow.
When you took one like this,
So nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
so yummy.
Yeah.
So finally,
Tunasheka.
our
Sasa
result is
tunafanya.
here. You can see. We have the kachumbari.
I think
here.
I have to go and get
The
coriander
meat is here.
for
And
decoration.
our ugali. Guys, you can let me know in the comment section how do we call this mixture of tomato and onions, because here in Africa we do
Salad.
call it,
Something like
Kachumbari.
kachumbari, in
kachumbari.
English,
But I
something
don't
like
know in English.
salad,
Something like
salad.
No, no.
Yeah, something like
Guys, you can
salad.
let us know on
Me, I
under the
cannot talk
comment
because
section.
I'm not sure.
How do we call this?
I forgotten since I used to leave school. I was just doing catering, and then I used to drop it out.
Yeah, so we are
Bro, wakati wa kukura sitaki story nyingi. Naona
man.
mulive.
Mulipe down that. Mulipe down that. Mulipe.
Mulacha tusikosane.
Mulipe.
Let's don't joke with this moment.
Mm?
This is the best
Someone can
moment.
kill you. With the nyama.
Amazing guys.
Ngo yako hapa. Ipo sawa.
Hosea, how do you feel the meal, man?